Hello students, good morning all. How are you? Already we have saw this is our third lecture. Okay, in first lecture we have seen what are the types of dams, and in second lecture we have seen what are the different types of forces and everything. Now we will see what is elementary profile. What is elementary profile we will see, and we will see hmm, how low dam will be there, higher dam will be there. Okay, these all we will see in today's session. Okay, now let us start today's lecture. And I think in previous session we have seen construction joints also. Okay, hope you all have seen that videos and everything. And don't go direct lectures. Okay, already we are having live videos. Means videos are all videos are available. Links are available in our WhatsApp group. Okay, please open that links and watch that videos, and then come to elementary profile and these all. Means we have to go step to step. Don't go forward. Okay, now now let us start. First of all, what is elementary profile? I will explain you. For suppose here, okay, for suppose this is our retaining wall. Here, elementary profile means whenever here water is not there, means for suppose this is our upstream part as we have seen before. In upstream part, if water is not there, okay, then what will be the pressure will act here? The only will act here is self weight. Obviously, if you see here water is not there, immediately means what here? Self weight of dam will act at what distance, means at what distance I have to provide my self weight. That is the most important. Okay, and now, okay, and this is nothing but our elementary profile we can say. And if you see here I have given some notes here. The elementary profile of dam subjected only to external water pressure on upstream side will be right angle triangle. Means even if water it is there, here the flow should be there. Means in upstream side, the width or how you are providing your retaining wall, it should be in right angle triangle. It should be in, sorry, it should be in right angle triangle only. Okay, now having zero width at water level and a base width be at a bottom. Okay, means the width will be zero. Means here right angle triangle is what? This is our right angle triangle. Okay, at this location means how much will be their width? Obviously it is zero. Okay, and a base width be at a bottom. Base width means from here to here. This is our base width, and this is our width of our water level. Okay, now in the shape of such profile is similar to shape of hydrostatic pressure distribution. Hydrostatic pressure distribution how will be there? uh, okay, in this way our hydrostatic pressure distribution will be there. Just I will draw here, only pressure distribution diagram I will draw here. This type of pressure distribution diagram we have seen in your retaining wall also. Same it will be follow here. Okay, means the shape of such profile is similar to shape of hydrostatic pressure distribution. Maybe here zero will be there, or it will be some width here. Some pressure will be there, and that pressure too it will increase. This one we can say P minimum, and this one we can say P maximum. This is for what? This is for your this one like retaining wall and everything. But coming to elementary profile, obviously it will be zero only. In this way, our profile will be there. Now, when reservoir is empty, read this point. When reservoir is empty, what I said before, reservoir will be always empty. The only single force acting it is self weight of dam. For suppose if in reservoir water is not there, then what will be act? Only what is the weight of that? What will be the weight? Only self weight will be act, and it is acts at a distance of b by 3 from here. For suppose see here, This is our heel point and this is our toe point. From here to the distance will be b by 3. Means as per US and Brazil recommendations, we have to provide, since we are following as for Indian provisions also, means exactly at b by 3 distance. For suppose from here to here the distance is b, exactly b by 3 we have to provide our self weight. Okay, from the heel, the maximum possible innermost position of resultant for no tension to develop. Means possible innermost position means, for suppose exactly if you see, if we are having rectangle, where we will provide exactly at the center. As it is right angle triangle, we can't provide our exactly central location. That's why we are seeing possible location. Either it may be 1/3 or either it may be in 2/3. Okay. Hence, such a line of action W is most ideal as it gives maximum possible stabilization moment and toe without causing tension at toe when reservoir is empty. Means here, if you are providing at b by 3 location, it should not be disturbed for our toe location. Means in this location. Okay. No disturbance should be there and no tension should be there. Then only it is maximum possible. Means then only it is okay for our dam construction. Okay. Now see here, this is our structure normal. Exactly what I said here, h by 3. Means that elementary profile whatever it is there, the maximum height it should be h by 3. Means this h by 3 is nothing but, for suppose if you want to see our pressure distribution or anything, from base width to exactly 1/3 height we have to provide. And if you see here b by 3, exactly at b by 3 location we are providing our what we can say self weight. Okay, see here. And one more thing, as I said before, the pressure distribution how it is there, here it is 0 and here it is somehow maximum value. Okay, and here we are having some proof also, we will see. Here P is nothing but pressure, either pressure you can say, force we can say, seismic force we have seen. Next normal seismic force with self weight we have seen. Uplift force is nothing but U here. Okay, and P is nothing but here force, W is weight, J is nothing but here lever arm. What is J? Lever arm. Okay, now let us see the derivation. Here PV is equal to sigma V bay divided by B into 1 plus or minus 6E divided by B. This is the standard formula as we have seen in our retaining wall design also. Whenever we are finding P max and P minimum, we will use it. Instead of V here, we will take W. Instead of V, we will take W, and epsilon V is nothing but W, and E is equal to B by 6. E is equal to B by 6, where we will take exactly, if you see here, B by 3 it is there. Okay, here what we will do, exactly at B by 6 location we have to prefer. This is our eccentricity value as per provisions. Okay, therefore P max and P minimum, P max or minimum is equal to epsilon W divided by B into 1 plus or minus 6 by B. Means this value as it is I am taking, and instead of E I am providing here B divided by 6. Okay, for mix P maximum we have to prefer plus, and for P minimum we have to divide minus. Okay, if you see here 6 cancel, B cancel, so remaining what, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means how much? 2. So answer is 2W by B. Now P, this is our P maximum value. Now coming to P minimum, as it is 1 minus 1 means how much? 0. So P minimum is equal to 0. P max is equal to 2W by B. Okay, now see here, it is okay or not now? At P minimum the value is 0 and at P max value that is something X value. Whenever we are going to design, we will get that value, that is 2W by B. Okay, hence maximum vertical stress is equal to 2W by B. This is our maximum, it won't cross, will act at heel. Okay, now where it is acting? Exactly at heel only. Okay, now and vertical stress will be 0 at 2. Exactly in this location the vertical stress is 0. Okay, now I think P max and P minimum is okay for you, means proof we can say. Okay, now when reservoir is full, the base width is governed by, means before what we said, if in reservoir there is no water, now if water it is there, how we have to consider the resultant all forces P, W, U. Here P is nothing but pressure, weight, U is nothing but uplift pressure, passes through outermost middle third point. Middle third point means this area. Okay, middle part third point means in this area. That is lower middle third point, whether upper or lower. Exactly we have to prefer at lower location. That is in this location we can say. Okay. Now the dam is safe against sliding. Obviously, whenever we are constructing dam, sliding means where? Means whenever, whether it is water is there or without water, the dam should be safe. Where we will find that one? As whenever we are designing retaining wall, we are having some numericals also. You can see, as already we have seen in our geotechnical engineering 2. Now continuation. For first condition to be satisfied, taking moment of all forces above the middle third point, means above the middle third point. From this, what we have to do? We have to take moment.